Hello everyone, welcome to Methodist TV News with me, Valencia Clarice Huang on September 15, 2023. We bring several pieces of information that is currently happening within this week for 3 minutes. And the headline for today is about the Republic Indonesia President's statement that we should not be afraid of artificial intelligence. According to Tempo.com, Indonesian President Joko Widodo or Jokowi believed that there was nothing to fear from technological advances. Indonesia, he stressed, needs to be prepared for rapid changes. Speaking at the Bogor Agricultural Institute or IPB today, Jokowi highlighted various issues from the food crisis to AI. He said one of the solutions to overcome food challenges is advanced technological interventions such as artificial intelligence, big data, robotic systems, and biotechnology. Don't be allergic to technology. Don't avoid technological change. Don't be afraid of intelligent machines or artificial intelligence, Jokowi said at the IPB Graha Widya Wisuda. He mentioned that some member countries of G7, G20, and ASEAN are afraid of artificial intelligence because of the lack of regulation, while at the same time, AI continues to advance. The rapid development of AI, such as ChatGPT OpenAI, supported by Microsoft, complicates the efforts of countries to create laws to control the use of such technologies. Some countries have stepped forward in the discourse of AI regulation. Indonesia does not yet have specific regulations on the use of artificial intelligence technology thus far. The president only said in his speech that the government must anticipate it without elaborating further. Technology cannot beat humans. Machines only have chips, while humans have hearts and feelings, Jokowi said. Well, everyone, that's all the news for today. For more information, please kindly visit our website on www.methodisttv.com. And I am Valencia Clarice Huang. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and signing out.